what's he got now? Look at this. It's a fucking electric impact gun, yeah? I've always wanted one of these. Absolutely banging. Do you know what I mean? £25 off Temu. Can you beat it? Do you know what I mean? Look at it. Wow. Do you know what I mean? The mate Jeff's even gave me a rubber socket. Do you know what I mean? Look at this. Absolutely banging. Protects the fucking dots alloys. Do you know what I mean? Absolutely banging. Let's go see how it performs. Right, I'm like a big kid, and this is what I say when it's like Christmas every day with top end bends. You know what I mean? You ain't beating this. Beautiful. Yes, baby. There we fucking go. You ain't beating this. Look at this. £25. Can't fucking beat it.